Hi everybody, today I show you Accutron by Bulova. Oh, it's heavy watch, good looking watch. Okay, this is Kirkwood automatic self-winding movement, and so retail price for this watch $1,995, online store price around $600 or $700, or sometimes you can find this watch for like $1,300. I guess it's too expensive. So this metal case and stainless steel case and stainless steel bracelet, hidden clasp with some open window in back. Okay, sapphire crystal, and I like this is skeletonized. You see movement from this side. No many watch have this option, and usually price high for these models. And another what I like, it's blue metallic and luminous. Yeah, sometimes you can see, and luminous hour and minute, and just regular silver tone second without any luminous here. Okay, and water resistant 100 meters. It's okay, size without crown 40 millimeters, and thickness 12 millimeters. Okay, check in night, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, we can see two hands, and check on my wrist how this be. You see blue, the blue color, right, on hands, but its watch looks heavy for me, I guess. More heavy than many other models. Very cool watch. Price 600 and up. So this was Bulova Kirkwood series, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.